Let's say we have a variable outside a function. That's called a global variable. Now, inside the function, we use the same variable name, but guess what? That's a totally different one. It only exists inside the function. That's called a local variable. So when we print the value inside the function, we see one thing, but outside, we see something else, because the function didn't touch the global variable at all. But now, watch this. We add one little word, global, and suddenly everything changes. Now the function is saying, I'm not creating my own variable, I want to use the one from outside. And when it changes the value, that change sticks, even after the function ends. So the big idea is, without global, variables inside a function are local, temporary, and isolated. With global, the function gets access to the real thing. Simple difference, right? But super important, especially when your code starts to grow. If this helped clear things up, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tricks. And hey, try your own example. You might surprise yourself.